Welcome to Jeto Vacations. Today, we're taking you on a trip to Vietnam, a country brimming with natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the bustling alleys of Hanoi to the serene shores of Da Nang, Vietnam offers a unique blend of experiences. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and explore what this diverse destination has to offer. Vietnam is a treasure trove of attractions. Whether you are floating through the surreal waters of Ha Long Bay, discovering the hidden history in Siu Chi tunnels, or enjoying the flavors of street food in the heart of Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam never fails to impress you. Vietnam offers an irresistible combination of adventure and relaxation. Be it hiking the misty mountains of Sapa, exploring the ancient streets of Hoi An, or just kicking back on the beautiful beaches of Phu Quoc, Vietnam has something for every traveler. With quick flight connections, an easy visa process, and affordable travel options, it's the ideal getaway for anyone seeking variety and excitement. Vietnam's appeal lies in its diverse offerings. You can stroll through the lantern-lit streets of Hoi An, dive into the bustling atmosphere of Hanoi's Old Quarter, or simply enjoy the peaceful beaches. If you are into history, culture, or nature, there's always something new to discover. For adventure lovers, Vietnam is a playground. You can kayak around the towering casts of Ha Long Bay, embark on a trek through the hills of Sapa, or go caving in the stunning Phong Nha National Park. Each region offers a thrilling new experience. Reaching Vietnam from India is simple and convenient. Flights are typically between 4 and 6 hours, with several direct options from key Indian cities. Round-trip airfare ranges from 20,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees depending on the time of year and how early you book. If you are arriving in Hanoi at Noi Bai International Airport, or in Ho Chi Minh City at Tan Son Nhat International Airport, you'll find excellent services that get you straight into the heart of the action. Vietnam offers a wide variety of places to stay, catering to every budget. You can stay at cozy guest houses starting at around 1,000 rupees per night, or enjoy at luxury beach resorts in Da Nang that can go up to 20,000 rupees a night. A 6 to 8 day trip can range from 60,000 rupees to 80,000 rupees per person, covering flights, stays, and tours for an all-encompassing Vietnam experience. Indian travelers can take advantage of the A-Visa or Visa on arrival options, making it convenient for stays of up to 30 days. Vietnam is a paradise for budget-conscious travelers. With around 2,000 rupees to 4,000 rupees per day, you can enjoy fantastic meals, local transport, and cultural experiences. Make sure to try Vietnamese classics like pho, banh mi, and fresh spring rolls during your visit. Whether you are traveling as a couple seeking a romantic retreat, a family looking for adventure, or a solo traveler hungry for exploration, Vietnam has something to offer everyone. Couples can unwind in beach resorts, families can explore ancient temples and caves, and solo travelers can dive into the lively markets and cultural experiences. A 5 to 8 day trip is perfect for soaking in the best of Vietnam's landscapes, culture, and hospitality. The capital of Vietnam, a fascinating mix of history and modern energy. Visit the Hon Kim Lake, explore the Temple of Literature, and enjoy a bowl of pho at a local cafe. A stunning paradise where limestone islands pop out of sparkling emerald waters, perfect for a laid-back boat ride or an exciting kayaking trip. A charming town that lights up with lanterns at night. Visit the old town's ancient buildings and don't forget to shop for tailor-made clothes. A mountain town with beautiful rice terraces and ethnic minority villages. The perfect place for hiking and scenic adventures. Vietnam's largest city where vibrant street life meets historic sites. Explore the French colonial architecture, visit the War Remnants Museum, and don't miss the famous Siu Chi tunnels. So, are you ready to experience Vietnam? Whether you are chasing epic views, mouth-watering flavors, or unforgettable adventures, Vietnam guarantees a truly one-of-a-kind trip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration with Jetto Vacations.